Here's a quick and simple guide showing you how to turn off Chrome Sync on any device. Start by opening Google Chrome on your phone or computer. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap Sync and Google Services. This section controls what Chrome shares with your Google account. At the top of the screen, tap Sync. You'll see everything Chrome is syncing: passwords, bookmarks, history, extensions, and more. To stop all syncing, tap Turn Off. Chrome may ask if you want to clear synced data from the device. Choose based on your preference. If you don't want to disable sync entirely, you can manage it instead. Just toggle off items like passwords, history, bookmarks, or extensions. This keeps your Google account signed in but stops syncing specific data. Go back to the main settings page. If sync is off, you'll see a message saying Sync is off, confirming everything worked. And that's it. Chrome Sync is now turned off on your device.